Hello and welcome to MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. My name's Bill Herr, and today we're going to be doing a quick walkthrough of this newly listed 2011 Sea Ray 240 Sundeck. This was a great model for Sea Ray. Sundeck was a very, very popular boat. Nice in size, great seating arrangements. You got the nice big sun pad across the back with the seat that flips down and lays flat. Work our way into the cockpit here. You can see it's got the nice wraparound seating. Awesome mesh back Sea Ray seats, very comfortable. You got dual captain's chairs on this boat. Then you got your little cooler on the side, removable cooler, and your freshwater sink with some cup holders. So we head up to the helm here. This has the Garmin display installed on the side there. And then you have your traditional Sea Ray gauges, all your buttons for your bilge pump, hull lights, MakeMercruiser IO engine, and it does have a Garmin VHF down underneath there as well. Over to the port side, got the nice head compartment there. And then again, that second captain's chair, very comfortable for whoever you have aboard with you. Working our way up to the bow, you got a table that goes in on the floor, as well as one that can go into the cockpit. You've got insulated coolers under both of these seats. Very large bow area. Nice and easy to lay out and just enjoy the sun. Up front, you got your anchor storage. Pan around here and just show you a nice overview of the boat. Again, this is in very good condition. It's a 2011 Sea Ray 240 Sundeck IO with a bimini up top there. If you have any questions, or you'd like to do a private showing, you can reach out to myself. Again, my name is Bill Herr and MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. And you can reach me at 484-680-4392. Have a good day, and we'll see you on the water.